Did you know that your brain processes over 70,000 thoughts a day? That in this very moment, your brain is performing billions of calculations without you even realizing it? Your brain is the most powerful tool you will ever own. But the real question is, are you using it to its fullest potential? The human brain is the command center of your life. Every decision, every movement, every emotion, it all starts here. But how does it actually work? The brain is made up of nearly 86 billion neurons, tiny cells that send electrical and chemical signals at lightning speed. Your brain communicates through a vast neural network, firing up signals faster than the speed of light. These signals control everything, from your heartbeat to your thoughts to your ability to learn and grow. But here's what's even more fascinating. Your brain is not fixed. It's constantly rewiring itself, adapting, evolving. This means you can literally train your brain for success, for happiness, and for greatness. Ever heard someone say, "I'm a right-brained person," or "I'm more left-brained"? Your brain has two hemispheres, each controlling different aspects of thinking. Left brain, the logical, analytical side. It's responsible for problem-solving, numbers, and structured thinking. Right brain, the creative, emotional side. This is where imagination, intuition, and artistic abilities come alive. But here's the key. You are not limited to just one side. The most successful people train both sides of their brain, balancing logic with creativity, strategy with vision. Why do we feel emotion so deeply? Why do some people struggle with anxiety while others seem fearless? It all comes down to a tiny part of your brain called the amygdala, the center of emotions and survival instincts. Your amygdala reacts to danger, triggering fear and stress. But the problem? It can't always tell the difference between real threats and imagined fears. That's why so many people get stuck in their comfort zones. They fear failure, rejection, or change, when in reality their brain is just overreacting to something that isn't a true danger. The good news? You can reprogram your brain. You can train it to respond with confidence instead of fear, with action instead of hesitation. Your brain is not set in stone. It has a powerful ability called neuroplasticity, the ability to change, adapt, and grow at any age. This means you can learn new skills at any time. You can develop new habits and break old ones. You can retrain your thoughts to be more positive, more focused, and more disciplined. Think of your brain like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it becomes. And just like going to the gym, if you stop training it, it weakens. So the question is, how are you training your brain every day? Feed your brain the right inputs. Your thoughts shape your reality. Stop consuming negativity. Cut out toxic news, gossip, and distractions. Listen and watch things that inspire you. 2. Train your memory and focus. Meditation, deep focus work, and mindfulness strengthen your brain's ability to concentrate. Avoid multitasking. It weakens cognitive function. 3. Exercise and sleep. Your brain thrives on movement. A 30-minute workout can increase brain power and mood. Sleep is like a reset button. It clears out toxins and boosts problem-solving ability. 4. Embrace challenges and learning. Your brain grows when it's challenged. Learn a new skill, read a difficult book, solve complex problems. Struggle is a sign of growth. 5. Master your self-talk. The words you say to yourself matter. Replace "I can't" with "I will." Believe in your ability to learn, grow, and achieve anything. You are in control of your brain, your thoughts, and your future. Take charge. Use this knowledge and start building the life you deserve. Your future is in your hands because your brain is your most powerful tool. So train it, feed it, and push it beyond its limits. And remember, the greatest transformations in life begin in the mind. If this inspired you, drop it in the comments and let me know what mindset shift you are making today. Like, subscribe, and hit for more life-changing insights.